Okay, next what we're going to do is we're going to go and build one of our children. And the first child we're going to go ahead and build is actually the rock child here. So, we're talking about the concept now of inheritance, where the rock class will inherit everything that the parent class music, which I'll pull back up here, gives to it. So let's go ahead and look first at how to build the rock class by itself, and then we'll show it inheriting the different four methods and variables from the music class as well. So we're going to go here and we're going to create a new class called rock. I want to rock. Okay, got that out of me. And now what we're going to do is we're going to first make sure it knows it is a child of the music class. So to do that, we're going to sometimes, this is where this phrase came from, when they're comparing you to your parents, they say you're nothing but an extension of your parents. You may have heard that before. It's a little older phrase, I believe, but that's exactly what we call it. We say that this class extends the music class. So right now, if we were to go build a rock, we haven't even done anything here in rock yet, but if we were to go hit save here, go back over to Studio, and just simply change these words in music to rock, I guess it doesn't like it just yet. Okay, so I got a little overzealous. But it will still use the music class's variables for that. So we first have to go build out our rock constructor, and then we can go build out, in addition to, our music or our new methods within rock as well, because that's part of the idea of having children, is to build out new methods as well. So go here and build public rock. We'll build a regular constructor, and then we need to decide what else we want to be unique about our rock class. So I'll go ahead and we'll say we want to test for guitar solos, and we want to test for headbanging. Two classic things of rock. So both of these, I believe, are going to be kind of Boolean statements. So we'll call it Boolean solos and Boolean mosh pit. That's what we'll call it. So here in the public rock constructor, we'll go ahead and set solos, this dot solos equals false. We'll set this dot mosh pit equal to false as well, because most songs have it, but unless we fully construct the object, then we won't be able to work with that. But now we should also build out our other rock constructor. Notice how I'm doing the constructor first now, just so we can get a look at the object itself. So when we do a public rock, here we want to receive now all of this music information in addition to our new rock information. So we're going to go ahead and do int beats. Let's remember what we had over here. We had beats, lyrics, artist, title. Go ahead and bring these four over as well. And then we're going to also add in Boolean guitar and Boolean mosh. And then it just says we're missing our body. And there we go. So now we can start giving this the different information that we want. So this dot And this starts to give us the two variables we have here. Now, we do not see our other variables just yet. But if we go back out to music and turn off the word private in front, then when I type the word this, we see all of our variable options again for the rock class. So at this point, I'm actually going to go ahead now and leave them public again, just so that we can access them. And then we begin our assignments. This dot b equals b, this dot lyric equals, or this dot lyric equals wire. Must have been lyrics. Yes. This dot art equals. That has not been my friend today. There we go. This dot title equals title. And then we're going to add in our two new features here. This dot solos equals guitar. And this dot mosh pit equals mosh. Alright, so now we have the constructor for our rock object. Now here, even though we're reassigning all these different variables, we only need to check with the final two pieces here as well. The two pieces, when I say the final two pieces, the two pieces we made in here. So we'll do a public boolean get solo. We can return solos, and we'll do public boolean mosh pit, and we'll do return mosh pit. Let's go ahead over in this same video and build out our new, actually no, we'll save it for another video here.